One of the most useful features in EasyEst is to update costs based on when you want to. For instance, if you have a bid that you did quite a while ago and you bring it back in, you don't necessarily want it to automatically update based on any changes in costs you may have made between the time it was done and now. There'll be times when you'll get the contract if you keep your price. The other thing is that during the estimating process, many times you'll be modifying costs for a bid and it's just for that bid, but other times you'll want to make that a change permanent. For these reasons, the update to and from price book are extremely useful. This feature is pretty self-explanatory when we look at the dialog box. We're going to the bid, go down to update price book. We have a direction, which direction you're going from the bid to the price book or from the price book to the bid, and what you're going to update. Pretty self-explanatory here. You can control any of the items or all the items. You can also check or uncheck this if you didn't want to update any item that you custom changed just for this bid only. I'll show you where that's marked in a moment. And then what is updated? Just the cost or the description and any other element of the item. What you might consider is to just test the different things that it does and use a set of data that is not your normal estimating data, or you can make a backup of this current data and then just restore after you've did the testing here. But it'd be a good idea to just experiment with it and get a little feel for what it does. Now back to this update cost modified in bid 2. If this is not checked, all the items that are identified here will be updated with whatever changes you'd made since the bid was originally done. We can take any item here, and I'm going to make a change in a price here of $1.50 so that you can see what's going on. As soon as I made that change, in the detail of the system, it indicated that the change was made by this cost modified in the bid. It has a Y for yes, it has been changed. If we go to the next item in the bid, oh, there's one that it's not been changed. There's been a few that I've changed. I'm just paging through. You can see the ones that have been changed from your book price. So that's what is controlled by that checkbox that we saw in the update to and from right here. This is how it controls that. Also note that there are shortcut keys on the menu. You'll see save an item to the price book. If you simply want to save that particular line item, just do a Control D when you're on it and that'll take care of that.